Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Glittery Vibes. So in today's video, we'll be seeing how to make super delicious apple pie. So for this, you need 1.5 cups of maida or all-purpose flour and 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar sifted well. Then add in 1 cup of butter, approximately 100 grams, cold and cut into cubes. Then crumble the butter cubes and the dry ingredients well. For a more better way, you can also put the ingredients on your tabletop and then crumble it. Crumble all these ingredients until they gain a breadcrumb texture. Once you get a breadcrumb texture, then you can add 1 tablespoon chilled water. Mix in and form a dough. If required, you can add another teaspoon of water, but not much. Is ready, wrap it in a cling film and refrigerate it for about 20 to 30 minutes. By the time, in a pan, add 1 tablespoon of butter. To this, add 3 apples peeled and chopped in dices. Then add in about 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of white sugar, that is castor sugar, 1 inch cinnamon stick, or you can also use cinnamon powder. Mix in all these ingredients well and cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. Once done, remove the extra apple liquid and to the apples add in about 1 teaspoon of cornflour and mix well. Now in the same pan, add the apple liquid and cook until it gets thick. After the apple liquid gets thick, you can add this to the apples. And your apple pie mixture is ready. Do remember to remove the cinnamon sticks. For the pie crust, unwrap your dough. Now for your pie crust, unwrap your dough and by dusting some flour, roll it out. If the dough is too stiff, then make sure you knead it a bit and then roll it out. Roll the dough to about 1/2 inch thickness. Now place the rolled dough onto your pie tin and press in the dough well. Scrape off the excess dough with the help of a knife. Then with the help of your fingers, press in the dough well. Now by using a fork, prick the dough so that it doesn't rise up. Bake the pie crust for about 5 minutes in a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius. Once your pie crust is pre-baked, add in your apple pie filling, spread it all over. Now place some dough strips on your pie as shown. Now bake the apple pie for about 20 to 25 minutes in a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius. And here, your apple pie is ready. If you liked the video, then do give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and until next time, stay tuned and keep watching Glittery Vibes. Thanks for watching.